Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over 5 super simple yet really cute and some of my favorite hairstyles that I like to do right after the gym. So things that I'm going to mention you probably already have in your house. So let's get right into it. First one up, we have to put the Tresemme Heat Protectant. This is like sunscreen but for your hair. You got to do it. It's just we have to play our part. We got to do our duty, girls. We have to. Now here I've been wanting to talk about this bad boy. Here it is a blow dryer and a brush at the same time, and this literally saves me so much time every morning. This is honestly what I've been doing every single day because it's so quick, it's so easy, and it gets me out the door probably in like 5 minutes. Now here I'm just making sure that I'm getting the back of my hair. Look, as you can see, I parted my hair because I'm trying to do section by section to make it easier. Here I'm curling and pulling away. One thing that I want you to keep in mind is that very last one, so that's the very top one, I kind of pull it away from my face. Here I really wanted to put this clip in here because I wanted you to see both sides. So left is undone, right is done. It's not a huge difference, but one looks like you just woke up from a big nap, and then the other one looks like, oh, she's kind of put together, even though she's been rushing, and boom, 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 I'm getting my little bachata time in. Can't forget the dry shampoo. Dry shampoo will save you for this post-workout routine for sure, because if you're not washing your hair, you gotta add some dry shampoo. And then of course we have our healthy, sexy hairspray, Lifesaver. Okay guys, that was our first one. Now let's move on to our second hairstyle. This one's actually a really cute one, and I honestly do not know how I got inspired to do this. I was super bored during COVID and I did it. But as you can see, I start out by making like a little triangle. Here I'm just tying the back of my hair so that I can actually work without any other hair getting interrupted or in the way. So here I'm just twisting piece by piece. Take your time, ladies. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and with a small rubber band, I'm just gonna tie the back. But this one too, you do wanna take your time because some hair can get in the way and it's just gonna cause breakage, so just take your time. And voila. So here I'm doing the other side, same thing, just make a little triangle, just make sure that your lines look pretty even, and then just roll with it, baby, just roll with it. And she's done. She's putting her hair down and she's saying, I am done, done. 3, 3, 3. Let's go into 3, our third hairstyle. So it's very similar to the one that we just did, but this one's gonna take up more time, just a little bit more time, honestly not that much more, but this one's actually a really cute one. I think this one's mostly inspired by like tropical vibes, tropical hairstyles. Kind of sort of reminds me of like a flower crown. Now I use this little clip because I want to clip it in the back so that I can do the other side. Other side is going to be the same thing. We're just going to be doing this, a roll, 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 and then I wanted to show you the back. You're just going to tie both of those together, join them, and then just add a little rubber band. And that was the third one. Moving on to the next one, it seems very similar to the one that we just did, but this one is gonna actually not be a half up, half down. It'll be a full head hairstyle. And then I'm just leaving a little bit of hair on the sides, and you'll see why in just a tad bit. Same thing here, you're just gonna join both of them and make a tiny ponytail just to bring the whole hairstyle together. And just like I talked about, we're gonna do a little bit of something, a little curls on the sides just to add that little hint of girliness. And this is how the look came out. Let's go to our last one, our last hairstyle. This is probably my favorite, and I'm about to show you guys a trick that my hairstylist showed me, and it's honestly changed my life. I honestly didn't know that this simple trick could make such a huge difference in my hairstyle. One thing that I want you to notice about the way that I am curling is that one strip I'm curling away from my face and one strip I curl towards my face. So you have to do every other strip a different way so that you get those beachy waves that you see on Instagram. So another thing that I want you guys to notice is that I leave just a tad bit of hair at the end so that I could get those beachy wavy curls. Now here I'm just kind of cupping my curls because I want to kind of protect them until the very end. We're kind of sort of done, but we're not done. So the last thing is, add some dry shampoo so you could get that volume. And then we're adding hairspray. Now here is the magic trick. You have to pull away from your head and spray at the same time. Pull away, hairspray. Pull away, hairspray. This is the trick. This is the magic trick that will give you this voluminous hair that you see on like commercials. See me pull away and spray. Pull away and spray. And we're all done. That was the 5th hairstyle for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, we've gone over the 5 super easy post-gym hairstyles. Let me know what your favorite hairstyle is down below in the comments. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and focus on progress over perfection, and I'll see you in the next video.